Okay, here's the answer video for number 3. It says, Marquise read 230 pages in 5 hours. Write and solve a multiplication equation to find how many pages he read in 1 hour. So I'm going to start with a bar diagram. So the pages he read in 1 hour, I'm going to label that P, and that's going to be my box. So he read P pages in an hour. Now, it says he read 230 pages in 5 hours. So if he read P pages in 1 hour, which I'm going to make this smaller so I could do this. So he read P pages in 1 hour. That means this is 2 hours. This is 3 hours. This is 4 hours. And this is 5 hours, right? And it said he read 230 pages. So all 5 hours of those would be 230. So what did I just do? Well, I multiplied P 5 times. So it's 5 times P, and that would equal 230 pages. Now to solve this one, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And remember, you can use a calculator for the division. So P equals 46 pages. That means he read 46 pages in 1 hour. All right, that's the video for 1. Thanks. Or for 3.